What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make $11 within just a few minutes. Best of all, you can do this over and over. It's totally free to do this. You don't need any previous experience, and this is worldwide. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you are new around, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I upload videos on a consistent basis about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And make sure you also hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright guys, so as I said, I'm going to show you how you can make $11 or actually even more in just a few minutes here. This is super easy, as I said, to do, totally free to get started with. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. So what you need to do is pay attention and watch the whole video so you don't miss out on any important information. Make sure you also subscribe to my other YouTube channel, which is My IM Tips. I do upload videos over there on a consistent basis also, and they are related to make money online, internet marketing and a lot more. You're going to find a link at the top and in the description, of course, also, and at the end screen there. And if you are interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below this video that I highly suggest you to have a closer look at when we finish this video, of course. But for now, let's see how we can make $11 over and over. Let's get started. Alright guys, so first off, I am at the freelance site, which is peopleperhour.com here. This is one of the most popular freelance sites, and people come here when they want to have something done. They post a project, and of course there is freelance people who apply and do some jobs and earn money here on this site. Now there is some other freelance sites, and I'm going to show you those also here. But I'm going to show you a specific thing we can get started with to make our $11 here. And I came up with the idea really easy because yesterday I wanted to remove a background from a picture of mine that I wanted to upload on my other channel. So I searched around and I found a free way, and I was amazed by the results actually. So I thought I wanted to share it with you here today on how you can take advantage of this and make money. So pay attention and stick around here, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this also. But first, if we are typing here remove background, okay, there you go. So you can see here that the first results we can see here is 10 euros for removing 20 images. This is around $11. That's how I came up with actually the amount. But you can see that people are charging actually much more here. Remove background, 100 image, 30 euros. This is 35. Here is something for over $20, $25 approximately. So there is a lot of opportunities here, okay? And now you're probably saying, how can I do this? I'm going to show you real soon here how you can go to a site and upload an image and do it real quick. So basically I'm going to also show you some other tips here about this, because this is only the beginning. So that is why it's so important to pay attention and watch the whole video here. So first, let's get started on how we are actually doing this without any previous experience at all. You go to the site, which is remove.bg, and this is the site here. You can see remove image background 100% automatically and free. So you can see some results here, and it all looked good when I checked it out, so I had to test it, and you are going to see live with me here on the results. I was actually really blown away. So all you have to do is just upload an image, and I'm taking the image that I used yesterday here. So this was the image, and look at how fast this goes now, okay? It goes within seconds actually, not even minutes, to just upload one image, and boom, there you are, done, okay? Do you see how fast it went? I think this probably went in like 20 seconds or something for just one image. And this is the original picture you can see here, and this is how you remove the background. And now I can of course insert it in Canva or whatever I'm using here. And all you have to do is just download, you can see here, preview image or full image also. So this is how easy and fast you can do this service, all right? So now you're saying that there is a lot of people who do this service, and I do absolutely agree with you. But here's the thing, look at this. Let's go for another site. This is Fiverr, for example, okay? Remove background. See here, remove background from image. You can look at this service here. And you can see here that you can actually create a gig over here also. So you don't have to limit to only people per hour. And look at this, there are a lot of people who earn some serious money with this. Okay, if I just go to best selling, let's see here. You can see 338 gigs. It starts at $5, but I think they do have some upsells or some other gigs, so probably they have earned much more also. Look at this, for example, okay? Color correction, background image. Now, if you happen to know a few things about this, you can definitely earn much more. But just to give you a quick idea, 305, that should be, let's fire up the calculator. There you go. So if I just say 300 gigs and $1 is actually for Fiverr that they are taking in commission. So there you have $1,200 by just having 1 gig on Fiverr.com. But you're not going to limit only here, okay? Because you can go to a site like Upwork.com. You can see here, and there are a lot of people here also. So then we have, of course, freelancer.com. And what I suggest you to do here is actually create a profile on all these freelance sites, okay? Anywhere from people per hour, Fiverr, we have Upwork, and of course also freelancer. Now you're going to do a research here and see what else do they offer here. For example, look at this, the first one. Photos clipping, retouching, background remove, Photoshop editing. Let's go here, image retouching and background. So have a look at what they are offering, and maybe that is something that you can offer as well. Or you can offer any other services actually. Let's say for example here that if I were to search here, I would go for video. Let's just type video here, okay? It can be video editing, for example. You can see here. But basically a good way to do this is when you have created your profile, you are going in here. Let's say that you do this 1 hour per day. You're going to go inside and search for projects that is available, okay? So look at this, search offers, search freelancers, search projects. So if I search with a project here, okay, so let's say that I'm good at video editing, for example, okay? There you go. So look at this. We have video editing, 112 euros here for a you can send a proposal for 30 videos, video editing, football video editing, tons of jobs that I can apply for here. All right. The same goes for actually for Upwork.com. You can do the exact same thing here also. And of course freelancers. So that's why I recommend that you are focused, you take 1 hour per day, you search for projects, and what you're going to do is of course you're going to bid low in the beginning until you get some work done and you have some testimonials. Because when you start to get some testimonials, then you're going to find it much easier to increase the prices and of course earn much more. And as I said, don't limit yourself. Now this is just 1 gig that I showed you here that you can do for free. It can be anything at all actually. I don't know. Let's say for example I'm good at audio, okay? I produced commercials for many years. So look at this. Audio. Oh, look at this. Transcribe audio interview. This is something I shared in many videos actually. This is so easy to do. You just need a good pair of headphones and get started to type what you hear. So you can apply for this. Why not bid low here and take up on this job? You see, There is really no limits that you can get started to earn money on these sites here. Now Fiverr is of course nothing that you can search for projects, but let's go for Upwork. There is Freelancer, and there is of course other freelance sites also. It's totally up to you and taking action up on this. But you can get started, of course, with the first one here by just removing background to see how easy this is, okay? So there you have it, how you can earn $11 and actually a lot more within just a few minutes. Now, if you got some value here, I really appreciate if you smash that like button below. If you are interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below this video. So I highly suggest you to have a closer look at that. You're going to find an end screen here with 2 channel recommendations. Both are mine, both are related. Subscribe and hit that notification bell also to both these channels. And you're going to find another Make Money Online video recommendation. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.